From the checkpoint immediately after the tutorial boss, equip the new loadout and then use the Ardore burst to break through the wooden barrier and then proceed up the elevator. Then go forward. Kill these two enemies to remove the barrier. Then go forward. Drop down and go through the wine. Then go forward to the next checkpoint. Then go forward towards the light. Go through the sunflower field. Go across the bridge. You'll be at the next checkpoint. From here, go left. And then up the path. And then at the fork, go right. Then continue going. Activate the bridge. Go across the bridge. On the other side, you'll be at the next checkpoint. From here, go to your right and then turn left. Stop briefly and then continue after the wine drops. Then go left and then through the opening to the right of the blacksmith. Go past the band to the right. Go forward and to the left will be the checkpoint right before the boss. Then to the right, open the doors and you'll be at Curtis, the Prince of Laughter. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick guides. Thank you.